Zhongshan Xiaolan Town Jianbin Hardware Products Factory is a leading manufacturer with 7 years of expertise in caster research, development, production, and operation. As an export-oriented enterprise, our facility is located in Jishi, Xing'an Industrial Zone, Xiaolan Town, Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, covering 1,100 square meters. We are equipped with advanced production technology and staffed by a team of senior professionals. Our R&D center specializes in customizing and developing special-purpose and high-end casters to meet diverse industry needs. Our product range includes universal casters, industrial casters, furniture casters, light and medium-duty casters, heavy-duty casters, and more. These casters are widely used in various fields, including industry, commerce, home appliances, furniture, medical equipment, and packaging. Due to their superior quality and performance, our products are exported to international markets such as Europe, America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, earning high praise and trust from customers. We adhere to the philosophy of integrity as the basis, quality as life, and customer satisfaction as the purpose. We are committed to offering high-quality, cost-effective products and comprehensive after-sales service. Through continuous innovation and rigorous quality control, we aim to meet diverse customer needs and stay competitive in the global market. We warmly invite enterprises and merchants to explore cooperation with us, innovate in caster applications, and expand into new markets together. We look forward to collaborating with you to achieve mutual success and a brilliant future.